The students of a school began to feel bored with their lessons. The reason was that their teacher was very strict. He used to punish his students very strictly, even on minor mistakes. The students did not like to attend their school now. Now the students began to plan the ways to get rid of school. One day, the same topic was under discussion when a children proposed, if our teacher gets ill, we can escape from the school. The discussion was still going on when another child presented a novel idea. He said that as the teacher would enter our class, a student would go to him and say, "Respected teacher, why you seem so pale? You are absolutely not fine. Are you suffering from malaria or having influenza?" Then all of us will repeat it one by one. Our teacher will get disturbed and he will go home surely. In this way, we will get rid of him. All the children agreed and they decided not to let the secret reveal. Next morning, when the teacher entered the classroom, a child got up and went to the teacher. He paid regards respectfully and then said, "Respected sir, what happened to you? You do not seem all right. Your face seems pale." The teacher scolded the child and ordered him to go back to his seat. But in fact, the teacher had become a bit conscious. After some time, a girl rose up and said, "I hope you will be fine soon, as you are really looking pale." Then all the students repeated the same dialogues one by one. Now the teacher was sure that he was really feeling sick. Now the teacher began to curse his wife inside heart, who did not care about his illness and sent him to school. Then he became more anxious, thinking that his wife did not really love him. He was now actually feeling sick. He took half leave and went home. The students also followed him just to make him feel that he was very ill. As he reached home, his wife asked him the reason behind his urgent arrival. The teacher, who was already disturbed, began to scold his wife. He shouted in anger, "Are you blind? Look at my pale face. Even the strangers can guess that I am not fine, but you are unable to see my state." The wife replied, "Who told you that you are ill? You are absolutely fine. Do not worry. It's all rubbish." But she failed to convince him. After a while, the teacher laid down in the bed and began to cry. After that, all the children sat around his bed and began to learn their lessons loudly. Then a clever child said, "Be quiet, friends. Can't you see our respected teacher is having headache?" When the teacher heard it, he appreciated the child and asked them to go to their homes. The children got so much excited and reached their homes singing and clapping. However, they failed to satisfy their parents, who went to the teacher and found out he was really in the bed. Moral: when a person accepts a particular condition, he does not need to see facts. It's just his state of mind which is enough for his belief.